What's up, guys? It is, what is today? The 8th? The 9th. Today is the 9th. We've still got a few days before Chris, but they have finally closed this road off. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna check this out. Go check out our buddy's farm down here. And it is definitely over the road here. We got county management down here checking it out. And so we're just gonna go down. We're gonna go down here, we're gonna get some video footage. Hopefully they don't give us too much trouble. Well, it's Braden. What's up, Braden?
What up?
Gonna come down here and check the water out.
You can get to the bridge, but
Can't get to the bridge?
you can get to the bridge, but you can't get nowhere else.
Did you ride down through there?
Yeah.
Did you?
About right there.
Heck yeah. Who's that?
They're supposed to come down here and work on that bridge Monday.
Oh yeah, no, not anytime soon. No. Yeah, I don't think they're gonna be working on that anytime soon. Yeah.
You wanna try and go through it?
Nah. I just come down here and make a video. But yeah.
We'll just go leave.
All right, y'all be careful. Oh yeah. So you can get to the bridge, you can drive through that. But here in a few days, you're not gonna be. Oh, you know what? Nah, we ain't gonna try it. Is Jamie going to? I don't know if Jamie's got to come out this way or not.
Scared of it?
Maybe a little bit.
I just went through it.
Did you?
Yeah, it ain't very deep.
You gotta go out that way? Yeah.
I'm going right here to work. Yeah, I just went through it going to Uniontown. It
Ain't that bad?
bad. It was almost up to my running boards.
Oh yeah.
About a foot. About to go back through.
Heck yeah. Watch him. Make sure he gets through it. Good old boy right there. Yeah, easy money. Yeah. All right. Well, I will catch you guys this afternoon. Yeah. Keep y'all updated. Peace out. What's up, guys? Another video from Outlaw Overlanding Adventures. We're gonna be doing something a little bit different today. As I was working out of town all day today, we're right outside of Princeton, Indiana today at a another CGB facility. We are doing an emergency pile pickup right now because currently this dam that's in front of us, or levee, I'm sorry, right on the other side of it is the Wabash River. It is a 26-foot levee, and the river is expected to crest at 26 feet. So the company decided to call an emergency pile pickup, and they needed all hands on deck. They needed some extra hands, so I volunteered to come up here and help them. Also, that way, you know, I could kind of document it. We're not going to drive on the levee just because, you know, I don't want to catch any flashback or anything like that. Plus, they're talking like it's going to crest this and flood out all of this farmland. And the elevator, I don't know if you can see it through the trees. It is right through there. Apparently, the Wabash is supposed to get really, really close to cresting this. And I would say it's fairly close. No, it's still got a few feet to come up. But it's definitely pretty high. Yeah, I wanted to come check all of this out, see what that looked like. Just because of what's going on at work. It's probably not gonna be as long of a video today as it has been the past few days. Just because it's late. It's currently 6:20 right now, and I'm just now getting off work, and I still got an hour and a half drive home. So I'll try and get a few videos of the water level on the way home, and then we'll put that into a video, and that will be our day 4. So yeah, peace.